How to change your TikTok profile category. Hello everyone and welcome to TikToks. To change your TikTok profile category, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, subscribe to us and then open your TikTok app. Now here on bottom of your screen, you will find different navigation options. So tap on this profile icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen. And then you will see your profile. So on middle of your screen, right below your profile name, you will find this option edit profile. So tap on it. And then you will find all these options to edit your profile. So simply scroll down to change your profile category. And here on bottom of your screen, you will find this option category. So to change it, tap on it. And then you will see this page, choose a category. Now simply scroll down and find the category that you want to change into. So after you find the category that suits for you, tap on it and then click on save icon located on bottom of your screen. And here you can see I have successfully changed my TikTok page category. So this is all you need to do to change your Instagram page category. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.